they can at least go down more. And you can, you know, one for each thing.
There you go.
It's a one for. Really, guys?
You just look really Asian right
I am Asian.
now. Only right now.
I don't know how to break that to you any other way.
This is how ninjas make soup.
Ninja soup.
Oh. It's not the nicest face.
Might have just gotten in trouble.
Well, there's that. Good?
Cold.
Chopstick licking.
It's fucking cold.
Give it some time.
It's gotta be a little bit.
And this was the one bowl that we had.
Chili and
We
soup.
got all of our picnic things. Hence the small size of everything.
You're so thoughtful.
Whereas this one brought a book.
Obviously practical. Will live in the wild forever.
You know, I will memorize that book and I'll be better for it. And then I will eat the pages. I will wipe my ass with them. It is called The Idiot. So we understand.